everyone. In this video, I will explain how this major and internal structure works on the crypto as well. So we have the range, the major range from A to B. So once we have the major range, then it's consecutively one, two, it's the third day we are inside the range. So when we are inside the range, it doesn't mean that we cannot play. We can mark the internal structure to get the entries. So this is where the point B of this range A to B, and then we mark the internal structure. So this point B was confirmed when we have the QM, and then we got the liquidity. This is the liquidity. That's why I shifted this blue bar from here to here. And now once the market took the QM, our range was confirmed from A to B. And now we are looking for the internal range. So this low is shared and we are looking for the opposite QM. So the opposite QM is here at this place. So once we take the opposite QM, our range has confirmed this one. We will call this IA to IB. And below the QM, we have the internal decisional order block. So the price bounced off of the internal decisional order block and created an internal boss. And our low got confirmed. And now we are looking for the opposite QM and we got here. And below the QM, we are looking for internal DOB. And then from the internal DOB, we made another breakup structure, internal breakup structure. And then we have the internal QM again. And now we have the range from here to here. And below this one, we have this one, internal DOB. So the price didn't respect the internal DOB, but we have this one here. This is the unmitigated internal external order block. Why I'm saying internal? Because this is the internal structure. But this order block is, we have the three different types of order blocks: decisional order block, extreme order block, and external order block. So that's why I'm calling internal, and the order block is external order block. So from the external order block, what we are looking for? We are looking for to make another breakup structure. So because the market have the change of character, it doesn't mean that we will start to sell here or here. These are all SMTs. Why? Because the market took the liquidity from the change of character, and then from the external OB, it is going to make another change of character on the other side. So once the market took the change of character on the other side, we are looking for another QM, and we have the QM here. In this case, we have the range from here, A to B. And this B was confirmed once we have the internal QM, and from the internal DOB, we are looking for another breakup structure. The market did the breakup structure, but not the valid one, because this is only the liquidity. And then we are looking for what? The market just came down and then made a valid breakup structure, the body closure. So that's why now our low is confirmed. When we have a valid breakup structure, we are looking for the opposite QM, and we have the opposite QM. From the opposite QM, our range is confirmed from A to B. And now from the internal QM, we are looking for the internal DOB. So we have the internal DOB, this one. The market took some bounce off of the internal DOB, and then it made another change of character. So once we have the change of character, what we are looking for? We are looking for the opposite QM, and from the opposite QM, we have the internal DOB. From the internal DOB, we are looking for another internal breakup structure. And from the internal breakup structure, we have another QM, and now we have the range from A to B. And now we will have a same example which we checked here. Once the market takes the external OB, we look for the other side of the market. And now the same example here. Once the this was the range A to B, and internal DOB disrespected, and then we are looking for the extreme and external. From the external OB, the market made another breakup structure. So that's why we have two I chalk. So you can just write them the chalk. Why? Because the body close above this one, but it doesn't mean that we will start to buy here. These are all SMTs, because this one was basically the inducement. And then the same, I showed the example. And then we have the I chalk. What we are looking for? We are looking for another QM. And once we got the QM, our low is confirmed. Now we have I A to IB. And where is our our internal DOB? I marked, I think that one is not the internal. That one is I mean internal, but that one is extreme EOB. And decisional EOB is here. So this is the decisional OB. So once the decisional OB disrespected, we visited the extreme OB, and now the price is rejecting from the extreme OB, and then we are looking for what? We are looking for another breakup structure, something like this. Internal breakup structure. So now we have the currently range here A to B. So if this EOB disrespects is good. If it doesn't, then above this guy we will look for the external EOB, and then we will sell. Or you can sell from the confirmation entry here until here. So hope it makes sense. Thank you.